Hello there. So today we are gonna build a simple yet powerful AI agent wherein we have just one chat trigger and the main AI agent. Then we will add Google Gemini LLM, a simple memory and a web search tool. Here we are using SERXNG, maybe we can call it searching. It's an inbuilt tool where you can edit from the N8N. So let's see how it will work. Here I am gonna provide input as provide specifications for iPhone 16 and let's submit. So here you can see on the screen it started working and it's now delivering the results. The node executed successfully and it provided me the output with all the specifications of display, processor, camera, storage, battery and operating system in details. It also provides me references from where it has picked up this information. So this is what we are gonna build today. But then you may ask why we have used this searching tool. So the three main reasons which I can point out here are: it's an open source, it's free, it aggregates multiple search engines and you can host it locally or on the cloud as you wish. So main flexibility is it's free of cost. The steps to install searching, here I have listed the steps which I have used in my Mac. You can also use and do it according to your system if it's Windows. Let's move and create the workflow. We start with adding the chat trigger, go back to canvas, then we add the AI agent, search AI agent, click over it, then go back to the canvas. Then we can add our LLM chat model which we are using here, Gemini, search for it and add it, go back to canvas. Then we will add the memory. Here you can see a simple memory, just click over it, select it, go back to the canvas, and then finally we add the tool which is the main ingredient here, element here, which is the searching. Add it and click it. So this is our setup. Check all the parameters inside each node, whether you have selected the proper node and you have given it the proper credentials. These all steps I have explained in my other video in details, and also I will list all the information in the description. You can even copy and paste the JSON template in your workflow and start practicing over it. So let's see. In this AI agent I have used system message. Here you can put in the logic which you want to perform. So in my AI agent I have given the instruction that it's a research engine and it needs to take the data from the web search tool and then provide accurate results without any assumptions, and in the end also provide the references. So after our creating the workflow, let's try it again by giving a prompt. The chat input, provide the specifications of a Samsung S24 5 and let's see the result. As we click over it, starts working, gathering the results and then providing the outputs. So it shows here the Samsung Galaxy S25 announced in January 25 and the key specifications, the release date, display, processor, RAM, camera system, battery, operating system, durability, and also the sources from which it has picked up this information. So guys, this is it. Thanks for your time, and if you think it has added value, so kindly consider to subscribe for more of such videos.